Traveling on a budget doesn't mean giving up comfort, quality, or memorable experiences. One of the biggest myths about money and travel is that spending more automatically equals better trips. In reality, many expensive trips are stressful, rushed, and forgettable, while well-planned budget trips often feel richer, calmer, and more authentic. In this video, you'll learn how to travel on a budget without feeling cheap, embarrassed, or restricted, using smart money principles that actually work in real life. The first thing you need to understand is that budget travel is not about being stingy. It's about being intentional. When you're intentional with your money, every dollar has a purpose. Instead of reacting to prices, you plan ahead and decide what truly matters to you. That mindset alone changes everything. You stop feeling like you're missing out and start feeling in control. Let's start with destinations, because this is where most people either win or lose before the trip even begins. Not all destinations offer the same value. Some places simply give you more for your money. Countries in Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Central America, and parts of South America allow you to enjoy excellent food, comfortable accommodation, and rich cultural experiences at a fraction of the cost of popular high-priced destinations. Choosing a value-rich destination doesn't make you cheap. It makes you smart. Even within expensive countries, you can dramatically reduce costs by choosing the right cities. Secondary cities often provide better experiences than overcrowded capitals. You'll find lower prices, fewer tourists, and more authentic local culture. Budget travelers who feel cheap usually choose expensive locations and then try to cut costs everywhere else. Smart travelers choose affordable locations and enjoy themselves freely. Timing is the next critical factor. Traveling at the wrong time can double your costs instantly. Peak seasons mean higher prices, longer lines, crowded attractions, and more stress. Shoulder seasons, which are just before or after peak periods, offer the best balance. Prices drop, weather is still good, and experiences improve. Traveling at the right time allows you to feel relaxed instead of constantly worried about money. Now let's talk about flights, because flights are often the biggest single expense. Budget travel does not mean taking the worst possible flight. It means being flexible. Flying midweek instead of weekends can save a surprising amount of money. Early morning or late night flights are often cheaper. Using flexible date searches instead of fixed dates gives you control over pricing rather than letting the airline control you. Another powerful strategy is airport flexibility. Flying into or out of nearby airports can reduce ticket prices significantly. Many travelers overpay simply because they don't check alternatives. Budget travelers who plan ahead can often save hundreds without sacrificing comfort. Accommodation is where many people feel cheap, but it doesn't have to be that way. Budget accommodation is not the same as bad accommodation. Well-reviewed mid-range hotels, serviced apartments, and guest houses often provide better value than luxury hotels. You get more space, better locations, and a more relaxed environment. Cleanliness, safety, and location should always come before brand names. Having access to a kitchen, even a small one, can dramatically improve both your budget and your experience. Preparing simple breakfasts or occasional meals saves money and reduces stress. It also gives you flexibility. You're not forced to eat out when you're tired or short on time. Food is one of the most emotional parts of travel. Many people feel cheap when they don't eat at restaurants for every meal. But the truth is, eating like a local is often cheaper and better. Street food, bakeries, food markets, and small family-owned restaurants offer authentic flavors at reasonable prices. Instead of eating out 3 times a day, mix your meals. Save money on casual meals and spend intentionally on 1 or 2 special dining experiences. Transportation is another area where smart planning makes a huge difference. Public transportation is usually cheaper, faster, and more immersive than taxis or ride services. Many cities offer daily or weekly passes that pay for themselves quickly. Walking is not only free but often the best way to discover a city. You notice details, local life, and hidden spots that you'd miss otherwise. When it comes to activities, this is where many travelers overspend unnecessarily. Expensive attractions don't always equal better experiences. Free walking tours, public parks, scenic viewpoints, beaches, hiking trails, and local neighborhoods often provide the most memorable moments. Museums frequently offer free days, discounts, or bundled passes. Planning ahead allows you to enjoy culture without overspending. Avoiding tourist traps is one of the most important budget travel skills. Restaurants next to major attractions are usually overpriced and underwhelming. Walk a few streets away and prices drop while quality improves. The same applies to shopping. Instead of buying generic souvenirs, look for local products, markets, or handmade items that actually reflect the place you're visiting. Another major reason people feel cheap while traveling is comparison. Social media shows luxury hotels, first-class flights, and expensive experiences, but that's not real life for most travelers. Comparing your trip to someone else's highlight reel creates unnecessary pressure. Travel is personal. There is no right or wrong way to do it. If you value comfort, spend more on accommodation. If you value food, prioritize dining. Budget travel works best when your spending aligns with your values. Technology is a powerful ally for budget travelers. Flight alert apps, accommodation comparison tools, public transport apps, and digital maps help you avoid mistakes and save money effortlessly. Currency conversion apps prevent overspending due to confusion. Planning tools reduce stress and help you make confident decisions. One thing you should never skip to save money is travel insurance. A small upfront cost can protect you from massive unexpected expenses. Medical issues, cancellations, or lost luggage can turn a budget trip into a financial disaster. Smart budgeting includes protecting yourself from risk. Another key principle is pacing. Overscheduling leads to exhaustion and impulse spending. When you're tired, you spend more. Slower travel allows you to enjoy more with less. Staying longer in one place reduces transportation costs and improves your overall experience. Let's talk about confidence, because confidence is what separates smart budget travelers from people who feel cheap. When you know why you're making certain choices, you stop feeling embarrassed. You don't apologize for walking, using public transport, or choosing affordable meals. You're not cutting corners. You're optimizing your money. Budget travel also improves your financial life beyond travel. You develop skills like planning, prioritization, and delayed gratification. These skills carry over into everyday spending, saving, and investing. Travel becomes part of a healthy financial lifestyle, not a source of guilt or debt. Finally, remember this: the quality of your trip is not measured by how much you spend. It's measured by how present you are, how relaxed you feel, and how connected you become to the places you visit. When you travel intentionally, you don't feel cheap. You feel empowered. If you want more practical money strategies like this, subscribe to Smart Money 101, like this video, and watch the next one where we break down how to plan international trips that cost less than most people's monthly rent.